What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Mojave Grom. What I'm doing with this truck, I'm gonna upgrade it. You know how it comes. It comes brushed. Comes with the easy off body, clipless body. You don't have no body pins, just clip on, easy off body. Suspension is pretty good. It's not going to be unboxing. It comes with tools, which this tool come in handy. Come with a charger, and I can add this to my card collection. Come with spacers, instruction manual. Instruction manual, and it come with a battery, 1400 milliamp battery, Arrma battery. I don't think it's LiPo. Let's see what this is. This is a LiPo, and it's a LiPo battery, a 2S LiPo battery, 1400 milliamps, 30C. So this is the inside of it. Inside look like you got your 2-in-1 ESC and receiver, and you got this nice little fan here. You got this brushed motor with this nice little heat sink on it. Comes with the battery. It's a nice little layout, nice and sturdy. I like the tires. Here go up close look. Next thing, I'm gonna pull up my 4S Mojave and 6S Mojave, let y'all see the size difference. Doesn't matter, we all know it's a small scale car, but I want to just throw that out there. I just love how they did this body though. I mean, this is crazy looking. This thing is awesome. I think it's the best Mojave body yet. Yeah, this is the 4S Mojave. This is the mother Mojave right here. And this is the big boy Mojave, the 6S. You got the mini me. Yeah, but what I'm gonna do with this, I'm definitely gonna upgrade it. I got stuff I want to upgrade it with, and I'll let you see it. Got this Team Corrali ESC, the Torqueey 60 amp ESC, 3S capable, and then we're gonna throw in where is it? This hobby wing motor, 2435 4500 kV motor, brushless. And also gonna put this plate in here so we can switch out the receiver. And I'm gonna throw in, I don't know where my receiver, I'm gonna throw in that. Where is that thing at? Well, actually, I'm gonna throw in a Spectrum receiver. But first, what we're gonna do with this, I'm gonna take it out for a spin, see what speeds I get. But I see what speeds people normally get, like 20, 22 miles an hour, you know, nothing special. I wanna see what kind of speeds I get. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna throw this in here. Get your ass in here. Okay, not gonna fit. Throw that in there. Let's see where to fit it. All right, it's fit right here. No problem. Don't have to be super tight. See it probably fit right on there. Not perfectly. My thing is, I'm worrying about battery options because I don't have no small batteries. I don't want to have to buy batteries for this thing. If I do, I do. Fuck, it's no big deal. Let's see, I put it around the top of the heat sink. And another thing about the body, I wanted to get into the body. This is a sturdy body. This is a very sturdy body. You got skids on there. You got look underneath. This is durable on the next level. You got to figure this is a brush car. You'll have this body forever. Not much flex to the body, so you know, got a little flex, so you won't break. But the underneath here is genius. I swear Arrma is doing a thing, man. They oh my god. That GNS slid up there like it's supposed to. But let's take it out real quick for a rip. Yeah, I got it out now. It's a little ripper though. Suspension is pretty good on it. Gotta fix the steering servo, it's steering a little bit. It's off a lot. What I'm gonna do is, she don't need that much room. Get a nice little speed pad. It's full throttle right here. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna check that speed real quick. $21 miles an hour. I'm gonna do another pass. Take it all the way down and see what I get. Alright, I'll check that speed real quick. I don't have to be right back. That was 19 miles an hour. Oh my god, that's slow. Yeah, now I'm gonna take everything apart. Take this top off. Take a 2.5. So it won't be hard to, you know, 2.5. I kind of figured this was going to be, I mean, a 2.0, my fault, 2.0. 2.0. Take off this top plate. Alright, I got it. Got everything cooking out. We go to motors. We go to motor that I'm putting in. Hobby wing. 4500. And this is 4500 kV motor I'm putting in. The heatsink might not fit on there. I probably can squeeze it, make it tight, a little tighter on there though. So yeah, I'm gonna use the same pinion. The same pinion on there. You go to inside. You got metal spur gear. You got a aluminum drive shaft in there. I see the bearings, front and rear. I got the put the servo tray back on there just to see what it would look like. So I'm debating, should I put the ESC here or can I put the ESC here? Now let's see, let's put the motor in there. Bang, put it right here. It's a little tight. So if I put the ESC here, it's going to interfere with that. Put it right here. It fits square on there. And the receiver. Put the receiver right there, I guess. Or I could put the receiver on top, but I don't know. I don't know. All right, let me take this pinion off real quick. Now, got this all hooked up. Nice, neat. I gotta straighten out the wires and antenna. I want that somewhere neatly. But the only problem I'm having now is once I get that in there, if I was to put this on there, now I got everything to fit, including a battery. And What I gotta do with this, I gotta just get a longer battery strap and it'll fit right up in there. And as you see, the body is fit right there. All right, I'll plug it all up and plug it in. Got the receiver. Nothing wrong with it. All this in. I mean, honestly, the way the battery sits in there and how the body is, I had to compromise the body a lot for that to work. Cut all that out. So it's not as durable as it originally was, because I couldn't even get it to go down. But now so many wires, now you gotta make sure you line it up right. You see, I compromised it, so now I'm having regular size 3S battery. Adds a lot more weight, so I might have to add some spacers. Mess with that suspension, because it's all the way down. The battery is so enclosed, it's not going nowhere without a strap. So, but I don't want to run it like that. I'm gonna add a longer strap. And see, what I did makes it harder to take off now, but it does come off. But it's all done. I did a speed test on the original. Let's let y'all see it works now.
Oh shit,
yeah, this thing is a beast.
Here we go again.
All right, got it out now. Yeah, this thing is awesome though, man. I'm about to do a speed test. Waiting for my GNS to hook up. Oh yeah, she a ripper now. Pinion came off. Here go the results. Why I did what it did. You can see in there. Snap the pin off. Are you serious? Snap the pin off. Wow. So basically, okay. Stay tuned. Yeah, this video will be continued. I had to figure out what I'm gonna do for a motor. Wow. As always, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.